Welcome everyone to the linear regression section of the course. The first machine learning algorithm we're going to be exploring is also one of the oldest. Let's have a quick overview of what is covered in this section of the course. In the linear regression section, we're first going to start off with building an understanding of the mathematics behind linear regression. So we'll have a couple of lectures for a theory overview of linear regression. Once we understand the theory behind linear regression, we'll perform a simple implementation that only uses Python and NumPy. Then we'll shift gears to learn about scikit-learn, the main machine learning library we use throughout the rest of the course. Once we get an overview of scikit-learn, then we'll actually implement linear regression with scikit-learn. After that, we'll begin to understand polynomial regression as well as regularizations, ideas that build on top of just simple linear regression. Then we'll have an overview of the project dataset. So unlike future machine learning algorithm sections, the actual exercise project for linear regression will be spread over many sections, since we're first going to be discussing feature engineering and cross-validation before tackling the full project exercise. So that means this linear regression section ends with an overview of the data, but we won't actually complete that project until later on in the course. So just keep that in mind. This actual linear regression section won't conclude with a project. That project for linear regression is coming up later, but we first need to learn about feature engineering and cross-validation before we can fully tackle that project. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. I'll see you at the next lecture.